Hey Benny, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back to another video. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate that. If you're new here, hi, my name is Hanni, and in today's video I'll be transforming this ugly, well, maybe not so ugly in somebody else's opinion, but it is just so not my style, so I'll be transforming it into something that is more of my style. So if you're excited about that and you're here for the first time, you might want to hit that subscribe button and join the family, because I do this kind of videos all the time and they're always fun and exciting. So join the family and watch me transform this carpet into something cute beyond your dreams. Okay, so I'm just gonna come clean. So when I was doing this process, not only did I struggle because I somehow decided it was a great idea to remove the donuts using my scissor instead of getting a knife or a screw. Yeah, definitely not a good idea, because I ended up struggling trying to remove the donuts, and your girl came to the solution that she's just gonna remove the donuts just on one side only, and that was like the worst mistake I made, because when you watch the video you will understand or you get to see the mistake that I ended up making. And so please do as I say, not as I do. Because honestly speaking, my laziness took me nowhere, and yeah, it was a mess, but I'll explain. And we ended up fixing it too, so it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, do as I say, not as I do. So once you are done removing your donuts, nothing like me, like as you can see I only removed my donuts like halfway. Please don't do that, remove the whole thing. So once you are done removing the donuts, you want to measure your carpet, the doors. For example, at the moment I'm doing the door, so I want to know the measurements, exactly how long, how wide it's going to be. And I realized that the paper surface, or the contact paper surface, was smaller compared to the carpet, so I had to do either a horizontal or a vertical, like I had to apply the contact paper twice, either horizontally or vertically. There's no way that the whole contact paper is gonna fit on the door. So yeah, also you want to make sure that you keep in mind that the paper has to go over the door, like a little bit to the inside and to the sides. So if your door is, for instance, 5 centimeters long, then you want to cut the paper at 5.5 centimeters to give you the extra space for the extra paper that's going to go over the door a little bit to the inside, so that make sure that the door is fully covered with the contact paper. It's, yeah. So I have a confession. I got a little bit lazy. Well, I was trying to do it faster because unscrewing these hooks was just so hard. Okay, so my laziness didn't pay off, because look at this. I don't think I can fix it now, but I don't think I'll have enough contact paper if I was to fix that part there. I tried to fix it and touch it up a little bit, but it didn't. I think it worked, but it just looks ugly. So I did remove the knot on this side, the door knot on that side. So hopefully this side doesn't give me such a problem, and yeah, hopefully it won't be that big of a problem. And then next month I'll fix this one. I'll go buy another thing and fix that side. So let me do this side now. Can I just hop in here and just say that this is gonna need, like, this is one of those projects that just need patience, and trusting the process. So if you're lazy, if you are a perfectionist, this might just not be your cup of tea. Because I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of on the side of perfectionist. Like if I'm doing something, I like for it to come out the way I pictured it to come out as. And this was a struggle in the sense that the paper just kept having those, not necessarily bubbles, but then it kept folding in. When I'm trying to like fix the faults, it would tear, yeah. And it was just such a struggle. Sometimes using the ruler or the card would make the paper, like, I don't know, it would make the paper tear in some places, or it would make the paper get wrinkles in some places. And it was just one of those things where it was just a trial and error. I would try it with the ruler, it's not working. Then I would try with my hands and it's working. And I'll try with my hands, it's no longer working. I try with I was just going back and forth, you guys, with this whole thing, because it was just, yeah, it was just one of those things where it's just a trial and error. You figure it out, you don't figure it out. But to be honest, I was giving myself such a hard time trying to get it to be perfect. But in the end, at the end of the day, it ended up actually being so perfect, and those wrinkles or whatever you wanna call them didn't actually really matter because the pattern is already messy. So you barely see them. You can almost not see them. It almost just looks like it's part of the pattern, unless you're like really up and close. And what are you doing being there up and close? No, I'm joking. It's just one of those things where they're like, "Ah, come at you, how do I translate that? It's like it's one of those things where it's just ositsamima, but we'll see." But yeah, it was really a trial and error thing, but it ended up working. So yeah, you see, now I'm doing it with my hands. A few minutes ago, I was doing it with my ruler, and yeah, so there's that.
And you're ready to be mine. We twist the truth to justify, but baby, two wrongs doesn't make it right. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment, we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly life. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So hold on and let's save this night. Lovers to fight for the joy of making up. We both escape, trying to feel safe. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light. Right here in the moment, we're breathing life. Both of us lost in this ugly lie. Right here, all that matters is you and I. So darling, hold on and let's save this night. Let's save this night. Let's save this night. Favorite mistake playing on repeat. Baby, let's feel every heartbeat. I'll be yours till the morning light.
I almost have the entire carpet covered. So I just finished the side. I'm gonna put back the handle, and then we're gonna do the bottoms, then the sides, then we're done. So let's continue. So it's coming together, but I'm also starting to realize that it's not gonna be enough. So I covered most of it, but I didn't cover the sides, and the paper is done. So we'll buy another paper for the sides, but for now I'll just finish that part in the bottom, and then we'll buy another paper for the sides.
This love ain't yours for the taking. And baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken.
So I thought the paper was done, but look at how much roll I still have left. Like, I still have a lot of paper left, and I thought it was done. So no, we don't have to wait until tomorrow to finish this project. We can finish it now. So yay, let me do the sides.
Love won't be what it has been, but baby, our love was good before we lost the little loving that we had in the beginning. And baby, now we know we gotta let go, don't need to hold on, cause relationship is built on trust, on pure love and love. And I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point, at the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need nobody scars, it's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done. Face the breaking point. It doesn't matter how we do it, but the truth is, so face the breaking point. And I don't care if I go down with it the way I see it, there's no point. Cause in the end it's only down to us. There's no love, no love. And I don't wanna admit we're at the breaking point. Don't need nobody scars, it's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking.
Guys, so we're pretty much done, or almost done, because the paper did end up covering the side fully, but on the other side it only covered half the carpet, so the bottom part wasn't covered, which means I need to get more paper, but it's just for like a really small space as well. But I think I want to use it for another project in the room as well, so I'll buy another contact paper and do the remaining half that wasn't done on the other side. So yes, the before I got the contact paper from pet store. I'm not so sure how much it was, I can't remember. And here's the after, you guys. It turned out so beautiful. I loved it very much, and it is so much my style, definitely what I was going for. In the wrinkles or the errors, the small little errors that came with me hustling and trying to make this work, kind of actually just blended well with it, and it was just so beautiful, and it turned out just as beautiful as I wanted it to be. Alright, so we're done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that subscribe button, or leaving a comment in the section down below, or sharing this video, because I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Stay tuned for the videos that will be at the end of this video. Bye.